Right now, millions of people are praying in silence.
But tonight,
You are going to do something extraordinary.
something no one else is doing tonight.
You are going to speak English with your soul.
Stay with me.
This will change you forever. I am Jake.
And I am Emma.
This is Learn English Podcast.
And tonight, we don't just learn.
We transform. Before we begin, close your eyes for 1 second. Breathe in.
Breathe out.
Now open them. You are ready.
Jake, is it really possible to feel English, not just speak it?
Tonight, Emma, you will not just speak English. You will feel every word in your chest.
Then I am ready to follow your lead.
Trust the process. Let's begin. I seek peace tonight. I seek peace tonight. I seek peace tonight.
I seek peace tonight. It feels different when you say it slowly, Jake.
That difference, that feeling, that is fluency being born inside you.
I never expected English to feel this warm.
Warmth is the secret no textbook ever told you. My heart is open. My heart is open. My heart is open.
My heart is open. I can feel something shifting inside me.
If your heart is open right now, type yes in the comments. Let the world see your energy tonight.
And if you are shy, type it anyway. No one judges here.
Exactly. This is a safe space, always. I wake up for Suhoor. I wake up for Suhoor. I wake up for Suhoor.
I wake up for Suhoor. Jake, that word feels so natural now.
That is immersion, Emma. When a word feels like yours, it belongs to you forever.
Forever. I love that.
I am grateful for this meal. I am grateful for this meal. I am grateful for this meal.
I am grateful for this meal. Learning has never felt this peaceful before.
That is immersion, Emma. When a word feels like yours, it belongs to you forever.
Forever. I love that.
Stress kills language. Peace grows it. Subscribe if you believe that. I pray for my family. I pray for my family. I pray for my family. Now, Emma, say it like you mean it.
I pray for my family. Jake, my mother is sick. I never knew how to say it in English before. It always stayed locked inside me.
Then say it now, out loud, in English. She will hear you in every language.
I pray for my family. I think I just healed something tonight.
That is what English can do. It doesn't just open doors, it opens you. If someone needs to hear this tonight, share this video right now for them. I feel the blessings. I feel the blessings. I feel the blessings.
I feel the blessings. I really do, Jake. I really do.
To everyone watching right now, don't just listen. Open your mouth. Speak with us.
We are right here with you. Every single word.
I am learning fast. I am learning fast. I am learning fast.
I am learning fast. Jake, the fear is gone. I don't know when it left, but it's gone.
Fear leaves the moment meaning arrives. And tonight, every word has meaning.
I trust my mind.
Say it again, louder.
I trust my mind.
Now speak like the world is listening, because it is. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence.
I speak with confidence. That felt incredible, Jake.
Because it was.
Something is happening tonight, Jake. Something real.
Yes. Now let the night speak. Laylat al-Qadr is near. Laylat al-Qadr is near. Laylat al-Qadr is near.
Laylat al-Qadr is near. Jake, my heart beats faster when I say that.
That heartbeat, that is the night recognizing you.
It recognizes all of us tonight.
Tonight is better than 1,000 months. Tonight is better than 1,000 months. Tonight is better than 1,000 months.
Tonight is better than 1,000 months. 1,000 months, Jake. That is a lifetime.
83 years in one single night. Don't waste a second of it.
Not 1 second.
I ask for forgiveness. I ask for forgiveness. I ask for forgiveness. Forgiveness is not weakness. It is the bravest word in any language.
I ask for forgiveness. It feels so cleansing, Jake, especially tonight.
Language is a tool for the soul, and your soul is speaking tonight, Emma.
Thank you for saying that.
I am surrounded by light. I am surrounded by light. I am surrounded by light.
I am surrounded by light. I can almost see it behind my eyes.
Peace descends until dawn. Peace descends until dawn. Peace descends until dawn. Feel the word descends like something from above entering your chest.
Peace descends until dawn. It's so quiet now, Jake.
Good. The silence is where the real learning lives. I cherish these holy nights. I cherish these holy nights. I cherish these holy nights. To cherish something is to hold it against your heart and refuse to let it go.
I cherish these holy nights. Jake, I love that word.
It is a beautiful word for a beautiful soul.
Every word tonight feels beautiful.
Are you still repeating with us? If you are showing up for yourself tonight. Don't stop now. I am a fast learner. I am a fast learner. I am a fast learner. Believe it. Say it like it's already true.
I am a fast learner. It is getting easier, Jake. I can feel the momentum.
That is exactly what it's called, and tonight nothing stops yours.
I speak with a pure heart.
Every single time, Emma. Every single time. I look forward to Eid. I look forward to Eid. I look forward to Eid. Eid is the reward for every prayer, for every phrase learned tonight.
I look forward to Eid. Jake, I want to speak to everyone on that day, in English, confidently.
And you will. Subscribe so you are there when it arrives.
I celebrate with my loved ones.
All of us, together. The night is at its peak. Don't think, just speak.
Mercy is everywhere.
I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my life. Tell me in the comments, what are you most grateful for this year? Let's fill this space with blessings tonight.
I am grateful for my life, and for this lesson, and for this night.
I am grateful for you, Emma.
And I am grateful for you, Jake, and for everyone listening with us right now.
We are nearing the end of our journey tonight, but the learning never stops, not even when you close your eyes.
My mind is calm and clear.
You have done something rare tonight. You combined language and spirit.
I am ready to rest.
Rest now, dear learner. Your subconscious will keep repeating these phrases. You will wake up more fluent, more confident, more at peace.
Thank you for choosing to grow with us tonight on the most sacred night of the year.
Check the link in the description. The journey continues there. We love you. We see you. We believe in you.
Good night and blessings to all.
Ramadan Mubarak.